Welcome to Clarity. Log in by entering your email and password manually or by using biometrics. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the appointment screen. If your EHR is integrated with Clarity, you'll see your patients listed and can select them at any time. Otherwise, you click on New Appointment. For this example, we'll click on New Appointment. Here, you can type the patient's name if you wish. I'll type their initials. Afterwards, select the type of note you would like. We'll choose H&P Brief. This demonstration will record a clinician doing an after visit summary. At the end, you'll see the note that Clarity generated.
Just saw 51-year-old Susie Smith. She's doing great. She came for her high blood pressure follow-up. Generally doing well, checks her blood pressure periodically, and the range is in the 110s to 120s, over 70s. She takes her lisinopril regularly, reports no side effects. She did notice some recent sinus congestion and postnasal drainage. She usually has seasonal allergies in the spring, rarely in the fall, for which she takes Claritin. This time, she had not resumed her Claritin. Otherwise, denied shortness of breath, chest pain, wheezing, regular bowel function. There'd been no change in weight. She continues to play tennis 3 times a week, works for a technology company, and lives with her cat. She did have colonoscopy last year. That was normal, and she's scheduled for a mammogram in 3 weeks. She had her flu shot in the first week of October. Otherwise, her mom passed away 2 months ago, natural causes. On exam, her blood pressure was 118/64, pulse of 68. Her skin was warm and dry. HENT was normal. There was mild postpharyngeal erythema without exudate. No lymphadenopathy was palpable. Lungs were cleared to auscultation. Cardiac exam was regular rate and rhythm with no murmurs, rubs, or gallops. GI, soft bowel sounds, non-tender, non-distended. No extremity edema noted. Neurologically, no focal deficits. She did lab work 3 days ago, which noted glucose of 88, total cholesterol of 162. LDL was 84, and HDL was 64. Her creatinine was 0.9, and her potassium was 4.1. The plan was for us to continue the lisinopril at 20 milligrams every morning. Encourage her to remain active and watch her diet. She provided enough refills to take her till next spring when we see her back for her annual physical. For her allergic rhinitis, she agreed to resume Claritin. She knows not to take the Claritin D because of the high blood pressure. If by chance Claritin doesn't work, she may try Allegra over the counter as a substitute. Otherwise, she's going to follow up in March and get her mammogram done in 3 weeks.
Now, click the 3 blue horizontal bars in the upper left corner for menu. Then select Visits. Click on the note you just created. Depending on its length, the note may take a few minutes to process. Your Clarity note is organized into clear, easy-to-read sections. You may edit the note on the phone or in the Clarity portal. Enjoy caring for your patients with Clarity.